When I was in the beginning of my CS degree, I thought I would be the final boss of programming. I would know every algorithm, every data structure, and every Greek letter, that I could whiteboard a 3 algorithm faster than I could microwave a ramen. For me, I would be unstoppable, until I got my first job and immediately got bent by reality. It was like me thinking that I was Neo from Matrix, then we cut to my first job reminding me that I was the intern who breaks production by renaming a file. So, today we are speedrunning the 3 things CS majors learned way too late. First, AI is not your emotional support IDE. AI tools are everywhere. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, basically a swarm of silicon genies doing your homework. And they are amazing, until you become the developer that doesn't build anything. If you let AI solve every problem for you, congratulations, you are now a professional copy-paster with premium subscriptions. Sure, you can crank out code like a 10x dev, but the second someone asks, hey, how does this work? You freeze harder than your laptop running Chrome and Slack at the same time. Interviews are already adapting. They are not asking you for code anymore. They are asking why the code works. Which, let's be honest, even the AI can hallucinate and explain something wrong in it. AI should make you faster, not dumber. If you rely on it before understanding the basics, you are already being replaced by AI. Second, CS classes prepare you for everything except reality. CS programs teach you a lot of useful stuff, but I also love teaching you things you use once in your life, usually on the final exam, like creating a class named Animal in the OOP subject matter. Meanwhile, nobody teaches you how to navigate a code base built by 17 different developers during 17 different breakdowns, burnouts, and every kind of actionness. Nobody teaches you the ancient ritual known as reading documentation. College turns you into someone who can pass exams sometimes, not someone who can ship code without burning down the entire infrastructure. The developers who win are the ones who build stuff outside class. Side projects, open source, run experiments at 2 AM. Just like Zuckerberg that built Facebook while I was in college. Everything that gets you promoted is learned on your own. Third, networking is not optional. It is common to see a CS major that thinks the industry is a meritocracy. Writing good code doesn't mean you're going to get a good job. My classmates who got their jobs first were the ones who had good network in the job market. Many jobs never touch LinkedIn. Many are handed out through referrals, coffee chats, and hey, I know a guy moments. Locking yourself in your room writing lit code like it is an RPG won't guarantee you a good job. Networking isn't fake, it is just talking to humans without making it weird. Mentors, friends, co-workers, these are the people who save you years of trial and pain. If you are not networking, you are playing your career on hardcore mode for no reason. So build projects, learn how things break, talk to people, and stop acting like big annotation will save you from debugging a microservice that woke up and chose violence at 2 AM. Well, if you enjoyed it, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this one. Love you guys, see you soon.